I'm Tim, local electrician in Grimsby and Cleethorpes. Just doing this video to give you a couple of tips on when you're doing DIY work. So how to avoid some issues around electrics. So switching the sockets, obviously we need cables to get to them to make them to work. So in this switch, the cable runs straight up from the switch at 90 degrees, but it could run either side or straight down. What we're trying to avoid is putting a picture up maybe and putting a nail through a cable, or drilling it and putting a shelf and catching a cable at the same time. So same thing happens with sockets. So if we come down here, socket down here, this one goes down to the floorboards, but it could go up or it could go across. We often find in kitchens that from your sockets, electrics go across or up and down. So fitting kitchen cupboards, that's a really important one, just to be careful where the electrics are in the walls. If in doubt, you can use a wall scanner if you've got one. If not, try to avoid doing it in the first place. Also, cables can run in other voids as well around a room. So at the top of a room, we've got a 150mm area that a cable could run just below the ceiling on the wall. That's a safe zone as well. And another point, if we just go over here, is in the corner of a room. So in the corner, 150mm either side, you could find that you get a cable running there. So be really careful. I've seen shelves put right into corners, drill through and hit cables. So if we can avoid things like that, we can keep you guys safe and avoid having to call us out. However, if you do have any issues, we're always here, always at the end of the phone. Give us a call.